It's Chris Hansen. It's now 1:57. I just got off the phone with 911 reporting the psychotronic microwaves that are in the back of my head beaming me. And this feels like it's imprinting stuff and programming stuff into the back of my head as I'm sitting here on Facebook. I got sick of it. Feels like the fuse box and everything's just heated up over here at the smart meters. Bethel and Baratania straight that way. And then the west is over this way here. I can't take all the microwave radiation that's being pumped into the back of my head. I just hope they don't swipe this video like they have the last few. I've been just feeling nothing but implants and microwave psychotronics focused in the back of my head. Now this thing's saying, oh, here goes our 911 call. And that's exactly what I'm going to do too. I'm calling 911 right now about these psychotronic microwaves, and then I'm going to post this over to Facebook. And I already know that they're already forewarned, obviously, by this low-profile machine that tortures and commits terrorism on Hawaii daily. There's a warning of the police department. The call's coming right now.
Hello?
Yeah, hello, what operator am I speaking with?
This is operator 311. You need police, fire, and ambulance.
Oh, I just want to report psychotronic microwaves coming from the west.
Okay, let me connect so you can click that, sir. Just one moment.
Keep getting a bunch of entrainment in the back of my head like it's stinking.
Hello?
Yeah, what operator number am I speaking with now this time?
You need a police officer? 30.
What is it, 30?
Yes. You need a police officer?
Well, I just want to report psychotronic microwaves that are beaming me in the back of my head. I'm sick of calling every night, but it seems to go on every night. I don't know how many police I got to talk to, but it's about time you guys get this over to the proper authorities, whoever you got to talk to, because there's obvious terrorism taking place on the island of Oahu.
Are you going to meet with the officer?
How many times do I got to meet with an officer? I call you every night. When you guys going to call the FCC and get this taken care of? This is Chris Hansen. It's now 1:56. I just hung up 911. Reporting psychotronic microwaves coming from the west again. I've been feeling them imprint and program stuff into the back of my head now for over an hour. It's 2 o'clock. It's blurring the crap out of the it's just blurring the crap out of the time here.